All right, today I want to do this art challenge, the 10-minute, 1 minute, and 10-second art challenge. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, all right. So I got all my supplies. Got a piece of drawing paper right here, and I'm thinking of drawing Seth from Radiant. I haven't done any planning or anything, any like sketches in my sketchbook or whatever. It's just right on the spot, live. So let's see how this comes out. So 10 minutes, I'm gonna start here first and make my way to 1 minute, 10 seconds. And I have my phone to keep track of the time. So yeah, I'm gonna start on the first one. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna be drawing Seth from Radiant, and let's just get into it. I just wanna see what I can come up with. I got some reference up over here on the side on my computer screen of Seth for reference, and I'm gonna stop stalling. 10 minutes. Let's just start it. 3, 2, 1. Dang it, this is crazy. I don't even want to press the timer button, but let's do it. Let's just start. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 3, 2, 1, go. 10 minutes have started. All right, I'm just gonna go with a simple portrait. Start off with a circle, and it feels weird drawing on this big piece of paper, but I think I can make something out of this. So I don't want to spend too much time on the sketch, but I want him to be looking in this direction, like this. I can go right there, and something like that. Okay, got the basic head down, first minute, then the neck, shoulders, and then now I can start putting in the eyes. I don't want to spend too long on the sketch phase. I think I should spend like these next 3 minutes trying to do this, figure this out. She's got these pretty big eyes, so I'm gonna sketch this out. Other eye. Like this. Okay, 8 minutes, 30 seconds. Draw his eyes. Just got a pupil, highlight. Like a nose. Smile, and then he's got like this bandage on the side of his face over here. So we'll draw something like this. And now I need to sketch out the hair. Let's see, eyebrows. He's also got this hoodie. Oh my gosh, too much to sketch. If anything, I want to spend like 5 minutes doing this. So I've got a hoodie. Goes down like this. Boom. 7 minutes, 20 seconds left. Let's see. Strings from the hoodie. And there's his shirt. I kind of want to add color too, so I gotta hurry up. Draw this hair. Okay. 6 minutes. Oh, this is crazy. Okay. Then I can draw in spiky hair. Okay, gotta hurry up. It's harder. It's harder than I thought it would be. Okay, I'm done with the sketch. I think that's enough. And add these horns. Okay. Now let's start on the lines. 5 minutes, 6 minutes in. All right. Start on the lines. There we go. I'm gonna do the eyes a little bit too big, but that's okay. Whoa. Gotta hurry up. Gotta hurry up. Eyebrows. Alright, I gotta go faster. 5 minutes left. Probably won't be able to color it, but I'm gonna try and get color in. Alright. Hoodie. Hoodie. Neck. And then the hair. 5 minutes left. Hair, hurry. I think I have time for color. So hurry up and do this. All right. There we go. T-shirt. This. Shoulder. Shirt. Hoodie. And all right, I think that's it. His horns. I'm panicking. 4 minutes left. Now what I want to do is make the eyes a little bit darker. That's good. On the eyes, black. Probably be doing this with the bigger one, but it's all good. 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 seconds left. Hair. Hurry, fill the hair in. Fill the hair, fill the hair, fill the hair. Oh my gosh, there's so much hair. It's too much hair. Way too much. Alright, fill this in. Alright. 3 minutes. Just start filling it in. And then got 3 minutes left. Oh my gosh. Probably shouldn't have drawn the hair so big, but 3 minutes or 2 minutes, 30 seconds now. All right, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness, what's next? Jacket. All right, 2 minutes left. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't have time to color. I gotta erase now. All right, that's it. Now it's time to erase. Ugh. One minute, 30 seconds. What else can I do? Shadow on the neck. Fill in these little spaces. Yeah, I definitely do this a little too big. And what else can I do? Some hatching, I guess, shading. And that's pretty much it, because I have 1 minute left, so what else can I do? Yeah, I definitely think I drew a little bit too big. Just a little bit. That's all good. 30 seconds left, and it's pretty much done. I'm gonna add some type of color on my markers. Got the markers, 20 seconds left. I don't even know what color. Orange shirt. And 10 seconds. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. And brown eyes. 1 second. I don't know. Oh, that was crazy. And that was in 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. I gotta do that in 1 minute. But this time I'm prepared. I got my color. I kind of figure out. I kind of know what I'm trying to draw now. Let's just start it. This is a pretty difficult challenge. For the 1 minute, I don't think I have time to sketch anything out, so I'm probably just gonna have to go with marker with this and this and this. We'll see how that goes. That's a timer to 1 minute, and it's ready. Dang it! This is crazy hard, but let's start it up. Marker ready. I don't even need the eraser or pencil. Oh my goodness. All right. Let's see. I'm probably not gonna have time to draw as big as this one, so I'm gonna try and draw it a little bit smaller. Dang it, I'm stalling again. I don't want to do it, but let's just do it. A minute on the clock. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Face, head, face, eyes, highlight. All right, 40 seconds. Eyebrows, hair, ears, nose, neck, pretty. What else? And then a shirt, strap, and then hair. 15 seconds. Oh my gosh, 10. And then shadow, and then the shirt. Dang it, I forgot to put the color in there. Oh well. Well, that was a minute, so that went well, I guess. Now it's time for 10 seconds. This time I want to try and use this color. I don't think I have time for this small Sharpie, so I'm just going big. All big. Going big with the big boy. Big brush pen, ink pen. All right, set timer to 10 seconds. Imagine trying to do this in 1 second. That'd be impossible. All right, I'm probably gonna do this even smaller than I did last time. Than this one. If I wanted to be recognizable, But let's just start it up and get it over with. I don't want to do it, but I got to. I gotta do it for the challenge. All right, 3. Hold on. Orange marker ready to go. Black marker ready to go. 3, 2, 1, start. Face, eyes, hair, and shirt. Ah! Dang it. That was too fast. I wanted to put in the hoodie, but that was too fast. Where'd my pen cap go? I lost it. Okay, well that was a 10-minute challenge. 10 minute, 1 second. Not 1 second, 1 minute, 10-second challenge. It was harder than I thought it was gonna be. It was fun little challenge. I definitely want to try this again with another character. So if you got a character that will be fun to draw, that you want to see me try and draw with this challenge, I'll definitely try it out. So yeah, that was fun. 10 minutes, 1 minute, and 10 seconds. I wish I could have put a color in this drawing right here, but it's all good.